Okie dokie, so here we go. This is, look at how, you see how small this little bag is? It's hard to tell, but it's small. And then inside of it, we have the hose nozzle, which actually looks like it's good. It's got all the different little options here. You can see you can rotate it. It's got all the different settings, which is nice. The plug, the little screw in plastic, and has a washer in it already. And then we have this, which is the hanging bracket. And the main item of the day is this expandable hose. So you see, it's fairly small, but this is gonna get, 50 feet long. And you can see here, it's got the screw with the washer already in it to hook up to the faucet. And then this one here can hook up to this. And you can see inside of here, there's a, turn it the right way, a little ball valve. So shuts it off, turns it on. So those are nice and sturdy and 3/4 inch, and it's solid brass. So it's a nice little hose here. So it's a little chilly outside today, even though I'm wearing a tank top. But I'm gonna be using this soon. I'll probably actually put this one into my trailer too, because it's nice to have 50 feet that fits in a tiny little case like this for my camper. So I'll be able to camp far away from the water hose.